What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I think the last video that you guys saw on my channel was actually me moving in to this place. Here I am a year later and we are moving again, and I am so excited, you guys. I'm just really excited to be somewhere else, somewhere new, bright, a place where I can have my horses and I can film outside, not have to worry about having people around, just because this is a boarding facility. And I don't know if you guys know this, but I have another YouTube channel where I do videos with my horses, so it's been a little bit hard to film just because there's always people here, people riding, and I'm shy. Okay, I try, but I'm shy. Anyway, I'm rambling. Today's the day I am starting to pack. It's 8 o'clock at night and I have to be out of here by tomorrow, and I have not packed not one thing. My brothers are coming tomorrow to help me carry all the things. By the way, I think I already announced this. I mean, currently at this moment, nobody knows. I mean, my family knows, but you guys don't know that I am pregnant. But by the time the video goes up, I think you guys might already know. But anyway, my brothers are coming tomorrow to help me move because obviously I can't do any crazy heavy lifting, so I'm gonna feel pretty useless tomorrow. I'm gonna try some of the light things I think I can carry. I actually want to give my little Nike boy a little treat. I thought I'd give him something, you know? He's just sitting there like a cutie pie. Like a little cutie pie, my little Nike boy, huh? Yeah, you know I'm doing something with this. There's hair all over it. I have this huge thing of peanut butter, so I thought I would scoop it in there. You know, it's a little challenge. I think I'm gonna do it on the smaller side because this is too easy. Is this too much peanut butter for him? You have a sensitive stomach. This is not the day for you to get sick because we are moving tomorrow and I need to leave this place spotless. You ready? Hopefully this will keep you entertained so I can pack. Look how cute you are, my Nike boy. Take it. Yummy. Oh my goodness. That is so yummy. Here, take it. Take it, Bubba. Good boy. Anyway, if you are wondering where Levi is, I actually left him at my ex's house. We're co-parenting the dogs. We're still great friends. I don't even know if I've done this announcement video either on my channel about my breakup. I think by the time this video goes up, hopefully everything's been announced and everything's up to date. But yeah, we're still great friends, and he has Levi just for the weekend, just so I don't have to worry about both of the dogs since we're gonna be moving in and out. I thought I'd just bring Nike. Nike's my little guard dog. Because I am on a farm in the middle of nowhere, sometimes your girl hears noises and I get scared, so I always keep my Nike boy with me just because he's my little bodyguard. He hears everything and he's a scary boy when he gets scary. So anyway, a big part of packing today is not just packing, it's actually cleaning up as well. So I'm gonna get started by washing the dishes so that I can start packing all my kitchen stuff, just because I feel like that's the easiest and I won't even be using it for this last night anyway. So let's wash dishes. Oh, you can get a little belly update right here. I'm about 20 weeks or 21 weeks now. I think I'm about to be 21 weeks. So here's my little belly update. Starting to show a little bit more. Sometimes I show, sometimes I don't. Anyway, I'm getting distracted. Okay, so I am done with the dishes. I suck at this stuff. I get sidetracked, or I get overwhelmed, honestly, and I don't know where to start. I know I said I was gonna start with the kitchen stuff, but now the kitchen stuff is wet, so I can't pack it. Now I don't know where to continue. Please let me know I'm not the only one that gets like overwhelmed and just sits and stares at the ceiling when they have a bunch of things to do. I do that all the time and it's so bad. I think I'm gonna just let these dishes dry and continue somewhere else. The thing is, it would be so much easier if things were like in their place and organized, but your girl has not been organized lately. As you can see here, I have a huge mess. These are all clean clothes that I just threw up here because I didn't have time to fold, and this is obviously not a sink that I use. If you guys watch my move-in vlogs, you know that this is like a weird little shelving area I have in my room. As you can see, I barely even unpacked those boxes from when I moved in here. So yeah, it's kind of embarrassing. I can't believe I'm outing myself like this on the internet, but that's why it's like so hard for me to pack, because I just have a mess. But we're just gonna get to it. I'm gonna continue with this shelf, hopefully put all these clothes away, and by the time I'm done with that, the dishes will be dry, or I can move over to toiletries. But yeah, I'm gonna do this shelf because it's really stressing me out. Let's do that. By the way, Nike finished his little peanut butter. He still carries the bone around with him, but I think he got all the peanut butter out. Did you get it out, Nike-insky? So it's time to pack. the first official box. This is like a medium-sized box, and I'm hoping I can just pack everything in like sections so I don't have multiple boxes of the same room, if that makes sense. This would be just kitchen stuff, and hopefully I can fit all my kitchen stuff in here. That's my plan. I'm hoping I can just do it like that, because I would hate to have like 3 boxes just for kitchen things, and I only have 5 boxes. So I'm hoping to fit everything. I feel like I don't really have that many things, so I think we can do it. I feel like this is a game of Tetris. I just have to find a way to organize everything so that it fits perfectly. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I'm packing this totally wrong. Like, I have no idea the right way to pack glass and all that stuff, so I'm really hoping nothing breaks. I honestly just put it however it fit. I'm just gonna tell my brothers to really be careful with this box. I still have a few things to put in here, but I think it's looking pretty good so far.
Day 2.
So it's the next day, and you guys, my plans have all been ruined. As you can see, you're probably here. It is storming outside. Can you even see the view? Yeah, it's storming, and my landlord still expects me to move out today, which is fine. It's fine. It's not fine, but it's fine. Originally, I was gonna use my horse trailer to move all of my furniture, but my horse trailer is kind of open. It's not like an enclosed trailer, and I'm gonna be moving my mattress and furniture and stuff, and I just don't want it to get soaked. So my friend Sabrina's gonna let me borrow her horse trailer. She's such a lifesaver. I love you, Sabrina. Thank you. Yeah, I'm on my way right now to pick it up. I have my Nike boy with me. Nike, say hi to the vlog. Now I'm just scrambling, trying to figure out how to do this, get my friend's horse trailer, tell my brothers to come. They were originally supposed to come at 10 a.m. I keep pushing them back and back, but it seems like it's just gonna rain all day. So I'm just gonna have to do it in the rain. I feel so bad. You know, they're helping me out, and now they have to do it in the rain too. Anyway, the apartment's a mess too, so I wanted to clean it, but I don't know, if he's gonna give me time to clean the apartment. I mean, I guess it's my fault. Today is the 1st. I should be out by now, but I just got the keys to the new place today, this morning. So it's just everything's like overlapping, and it's all become a mess. But last night I did end up finishing one of the boxes, and I did pack all of the comforters, blankets, bed sheets, but I think it's just gonna be easier for me to just get the big furniture out, move that, and then I can focus on packing all the little things and cleaning. And hopefully by tonight I can give him the apartment. That's so unrealistic. Maybe I could just be like, hey, tomorrow at noon it's gonna be clean and everything, because my vacuum's been broken, so there's dog hair everywhere, and I'm kind of embarrassed for them to come in there and see the apartment like that. So I really need to clean it before anyone sees it. Anyway, I'm gonna head over. I've been parked talking to you guys so I don't vlog and drive, so let me head over and pick up that horse trailer. Just one fail after another, and I'm trying my best to keep myself together. But you guys, so the trailer is too low for the truck, which basically means I can't hitch it on. There's a ball centered in the bed of the truck that the trailer is supposed to hitch to, but the trailer's too low, so the ball can't get under it. And no matter how many different angles I've tried, the truck still seems to be higher than the trailer, and no matter how many times I crank the trailer, it won't go higher than what it is right now. So I'm literally just stuck. I have no idea what to do. What is up with today? Oh, and also cranking the trailer, it's really hard. Like, the actual crank is really hard, and being pregnant, I'm kind of scared. You know, normally I would just really just turn it, doesn't matter how hard it is, but I'm just scared. I know that you're not supposed to carry heavy things, and you're not supposed to force yourself too much, and I'm just scared to do that. So I'm just sitting here in the rain with Nike. I don't know what to do. I'll see you guys when I figure it out. Okay, so I'm on a food break. I decided to just give up for a little bit, get something to eat, and hopefully then I can think a little bit better and find a solution to our problem. I came to a Greek place. I'm sorry if the camera's a little foggy. It's raining, so it's super humid out. I got a chicken Greek salad bowl thing. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, I'm so excited to eat it. Don't you dare. I'm gonna give you a piece, but don't you steal anything. So I thought I would just sit in this parking lot and eat by myself with my dog because I just have nowhere to go. I don't want to go all the way home because I still have to go back to my friend's house and figure out how to get that trailer on if I plan on moving today, which is still the plan. I called my brother and he kind of gave me a few ideas of what I could do. I have a, what's it called? Why am I blanking out right now? A jack. I have a car jack right here in the back seat. So I'm thinking maybe I can somehow figure out a way to use the car jack to lift the trailer a little bit higher. I'm a little bit scared. I've never done stuff like that, especially by myself. So we'll see how far I actually get. Since it's not my trailer, I don't want to ruin anything or imagine if the whole trailer tips over. Oh my god. Good boy. Anyway, I'm gonna eat this and then we'll figure it all out. We have to figure it out. I can't see what else can go wrong today. Let me not say that. I might jinx it. Alright you guys, I am back and I think I found a solution. Sabrina actually gave me this idea. She said to just lower the trailer onto the bed of the truck and then I can put a block under the base which will make it higher once I crank it back up. The only thing I'm worried about now is cranking it back up just because it's really stiff and your girl's pregnant and there's nobody else around that I can ask to crank it up for me and I really don't want to mess anything up, you know? So I'm just gonna do part 1 first. Then if I do part 1 and I can't crank it up, what do I do? Because then I can't drive away because the trailer's on the truck. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it and then I'm gonna feel how it feels when I'm cranking. I'm gonna take my time, use my knees, and if it's just too much, I might just call my brothers and tell them to meet me here and we'll crank it up really quick and then drive over to my house. That's the only plan I got so far, so let's try it. Step 1 is laying this here so that when I lower it, it'll lay on that instead of on the bed of the truck. Okay, so it's lowered onto the bed of the truck. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's off the ground now. I'm gonna try and slide one of these pieces of wood underneath, and then hopefully that'll make it high enough. I wanna get one more piece in there. I just don't know which one's stable enough, because these are just like chopped wood. It's not like a straight edge. I think this one will work. So I got 2 pieces of wood on there. It's pretty stable. Now I just have to crank it up, which is the part that I'm worried about. I'm just gonna take it slow. I can't, you guys. It just doesn't feel right. I don't want to risk myself or the baby just to get this trailer on. I wish I could ask a neighbor or something, but I can't find anyone. So I'm just gonna text my brothers and see if they would mind meeting me here and then we'll drive to my house together.
Eventually.
I just did the craziest thing. I didn't vlog it, I didn't have time. I just stopped someone on the side of the road to ask them to help me crank it. Luckily it wasn't a serial killer. Well, at least I think not. I'm still here so he can come back at any second. But yeah, he came and cranked it up for me. He was so weirded out. He was like, what the heck? Because I stopped him. I like literally pulled him over on the side of the road. It all worked. I got the trailer over the ball. Now I'm lowering it, and lowering it is obviously much easier. So I'm gonna finish this and head back home ASAP because it's already like 5 p.m. But yeah, that was crazy. I literally told myself, you know what? I have to just ask somebody, but I was super shy and scared because I'm in the middle of nowhere. Some psychopath could like pick me up, pull me in their car. But luckily it all worked out. So yeah, let me finish this. Okay.
A few moments later.
Woo! I can't believe I just did that, you guys. Oh my gosh, what an insane mission this was. I cannot believe it, but I did it. I figured it out. I did it. Can't believe I stopped a stranger on the side of the road, but I had no other option. So made it work. Trailer's hitched. Now let's head back home. My brothers are already on their way to my house, so hopefully we can get this done quickly. Okay, so before we start putting stuff in here, I need to clean out all of this horse poop. Okay, you guys, so I have to brag about something because I just thought of the coolest thing and it worked out perfectly. I'm gonna be moving my mattress in the horse trailer, and as you guys saw, the floor is disgusting. It's wet, there was horse poop on it. So I was trying to figure out a way that I could cover the bottom of the mattress so when it leans on the floor, it's not touching the dirty floor. I just cut like a Macy's bag and I tucked it in, like I only cut one side so the corner's like basically a fitted sheet, and then I taped it to the bed, and then I cut another bag and put it on this side. Hopefully this keeps the bottom clean. All right, you guys, so I didn't vlog this process just because it was kind of intense, but we officially packed up the trailer. There's still a few things left inside the house, but the big things are packed, and now we're just gonna head back. It's getting super dark, so now it's all about unloading.
Day 3.
All right, you guys, so it's the next day, and I realized that I didn't end the vlog. I'm wearing the exact same thing because last night I spent the night at the new place, and I didn't bring any of the toiletries or any of my clothes, so I'm the same. Anyway, today I had to rush over here to finish packing just the smaller things and to clean the apartment before giving him the key back, and I'm also moving the horses today. I'm gonna show you guys the empty room. I feel so proud of myself. It took me a really long time to do this, but it's empty now, as you guys can see. Boom, boom, boom. So that is it for the moving out vlog. Now I have to unpack everything back home. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Also subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, if you guys want to see me move the horses, you can definitely check out my other YouTube channel. It's called Valentina Cowgirl. On there I post videos all about my horse life, which I'm going to be vlogging right now. So if you guys want to see that, I'll leave that video link down below if it's up before this one. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.